tanker aground off Cuxhaven, Germany. Product tanker Oriental Nadeshiko ran aground at around 0010 at Jan 21 while moving to sea in Elba estuary east of Cuxhaven, en route from Stade Germany to Tarragona, Spain. As of 0515 up tanker was still aground, with tug at her side and another tug nearby. Tanker is in load. No visible damages so far, no leak. Reportedly, tanker to be refloated with high tide. Cause of grounding unknown, the ship strayed off fairway, probably due to mechanical failure. Product tanker Oriental Nadeshiko, IMO 9,442,665, DWT 12,480, built 2009, flag Panama, manager Norstar Ship Management Pte. Raffles Pl Singapore, EQUASIS.